안녕하세요. 오투백 한국어입니다. We will go over 100 essential Korean sentence patterns. Don't forget to download the PDF file in the description. Today's expression is from to, 명사부터 명사까지. We studied 명사에서 명사까지, but they are different. 명사에서 명사까지 is for a location. And today we studied 명사부터 명사까지. This form used to indicate the beginning and end of a time or range. 아침 9시부터 10시까지. From 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. 아침 9시부터 10시까지. 9시 and 10시 are time. 어제, yesterday. 내일, tomorrow. 어제부터 내일까지. 어제부터 내일까지. 16쪽부터 20쪽까지. Page 16 to page 20. It indicates range from starting point and ending point. 부터까지. 16쪽부터 20쪽까지. 네, 여러분. 오늘 패턴 1개와 예문 3개를 공부했어요. Today we studied one sentence pattern and 3 example sentences. While remembering what you learned, look at the English sentence below and think of the sentence you studied today. When you are ready, say it out loud. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Now, create your own sentence using today's sentence pattern. Leave your sentence in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Next pattern is here, and you can learn more Korean grammar here. Thank you.